Why settle for a simple GPS when you can have 4 tools in one?
Meet ProTrack, the multi-mode GNSS receiver that adapts to all your needs. See what it can do.
Rover mode for classic surveying. Connect via Bluetooth to the Analyst mobile app, choose the network, and you're immediately in fix.
Center the bubble, tap the point, and you're already on to the next one. Maximum efficiency, zero downtime.
Do you work in the mountains, in rural areas, or where there's no internet signal? No problem.
With 2 ProTracks, I can set up my own RTK base and rover network completely on my own. I never have to postpone a survey because of signal issues again.
Do you do photogrammetry? ProTrack becomes the ideal ground station for your drone.
With a simple hotspot from your smartphone, I can provide the drone with centimeter-level corrections in real time. Absolute precision, from the sky to the ground.
Need to map roads, levees, or linear infrastructure? Mount ProTrack on a car or bike. Activate the tracking feature in the app.
I record points automatically as I move. I saved hours of walking and effort on a single survey.